So, today I have this. This is a Nokia Lumia 820, and it is working, according to the auction seller at least, but it's not holding a charge, so I suspect it needs a new battery, if it doesn't hold a charge, of course. And I received this, which is a replacement battery. Hopefully it's not complete garbage, but we'll see. So we're gonna take this phone apart, and also, just an FYI, I found a PDF, a kind of service manual on how to replace the battery on this one, and I think it's even provided by Nokia themselves. So that's really awesome. I will leave a link below in the description for that, for anyone who's interested. And also, you might hear on my voice that I'm a bit sick, and that's why I'm doing an easier fix today. I was going to do something else, but yeah, that's not gonna happen today. So yeah, we're gonna take this to the mat, disassemble it, get the battery out, get the new battery in, and hopefully it's gonna charge and work. So I've double checked the service manual, and it is in fact from Nokia, and it's also on iFixit, so link down below. Anyway, let's take a look at the phone. So here it is. Screen looks good. A bit crusty up here, but that doesn't matter. Alright. And according to the manual, you're supposed to press on the top right corner, and this whole back area should come out. So let's see what it does. Wow, okay. That was much easier than I expected. Maybe this is gonna be a super short video, but then at least it's easy for someone else to see this and do the same if they want to replace their battery on this one. Okay, so we have the volume buttons here. I mean, we could give this a bit of a clean. I feel like we should. The power button is here. I just don't want to crack the case, so I'm taking my time. Also, that will make the video longer than 2 minutes, so that's good. Okay, I think it's better to take it out from this side. Yeah. Okay, so here is the battery. We got some torque screws here, but I don't think that has anything to do with the battery. And also, these gold-plated things, they don't go to anything here. These gold-plated things go here, but I'm not really sure what that's supposed to do. Alright, let's clean the case first, just to get it sparkly and shiny. We're just gonna use some IPA. And just clean it out with a cotton bud. I think that looks good, and it was quite nasty. Wait, where's the lens? Here. You can see, quite nasty. And around the camera here, there's a bit of stuff, but I can see there's like a indent here, so maybe I can just pop the battery out. Yeah, wow, they don't make smartphones like this nowadays. And there we go. It is out. Oh, that's even how you're supposed to put the SIM in and stuff like that. No micro SD. And this battery is 1650 milliamp hours. 3.7 volts, 6.1 watt hours. And the replacement looks identical. And this one has 3.7 volts like the other one. 3,500 milliamp hours. I'm not really sure if that's true. Plus minus ground, I think that is. Wait, this is a sticker. Can we just remove it and see what it actually says down here? Oh, look at that. 2,950 milliamp hours. So these are liars. Let's remove that. And I'm wondering if I should peel all of this off. Would we see another milliamp hour value? Well, no matter. And let's just check the batteries with the multimeter. Where is volt? And should be volt DC. And we have plus and minus. Yeah, 3.2 volts, and this one has 3.6. So I think this battery is dead and it's not quite charging, so. But before we install the new battery, I really want to fix all this gunk. So let's get some IPA in there. Start with this side. Do a little inside here as well. And then let's take the sides. And that was quite a bit. But it's looking way better now. Okay, so I think the only thing we have to do is install the new battery. Hopefully this doesn't blow. And get the case back. Yeah, easy as that. Awesome. So alright, this is my amp and voltmeter, and this thing is something I bought from AliExpress. I think it's great. You have one USB-A, and then you have a bunch of different connectors. Like this is one for iPhone, a couple of barrel jacks, and this is a micro USB. This too, I don't know why there's two of them, but maybe they do something differently. You have this USB that nobody likes. I think these are for Sony things, and you even have USB-C. So what we're gonna do is put it into the power bank, and we're gonna connect this one up here. And we're going to use one of the micro USBs to see if this thing charges. So I heard a vibration. It's not showing any amp draw though. It's strange. I mean, now I'm thinking maybe the other micro USB does draw amps. No, okay. Just woke up and it's here. Drawing almost 4 amps. I think that's good. We have some settings and it's in Swedish. So I'm just gonna see how well this works. And obviously I'm gonna not show all of this. And I gotta say, I had a Nokia Lumia 920 and I absolutely love that phone. And the reason is this UI. I just think it looks so cool. And it's like the only phone I could just use as a phone and not care about anything else. And yeah, it didn't have app support and stuff like that. It had like word feud, and it sucked in that regard, but I really like those phones. They were just so pleasant to use and you didn't like doom scroll all them all day, so that was nice. So let's select today's date, which is this, I think. The time is not this. It's 11. Awesome. It's having a healthy charge as well. It's doing 4 amps, 1.8 watts. Yeah, and here we go. Yeah, okay, I don't care. There's no SIM, it says. And here's the UI. And I think that was awesome. Okay, thanks. Like, those wasn't the best phones. They didn't really have great RAM or anything like that. But they were just so pleasant to use. I remember that smiley when you got a SMS. Ah, this takes me back. I love these phones. Let's see, do we have any photos? No camera things. Is the App Store even live? Let's check it out. Or Microsoft Store. Yeah, it's down. I mean, I could maybe modify this phone in a way. Maybe even install Linux on it or something. I don't know. We'll see what I can do. Let's unplug the charger. And I don't know how much battery we have. Do we have settings here? We should have settings. Oh, this is Swedish. Favorite color. So we have 12%. And it says 4 hours and 46 minutes left. Low battery, I know. 10%. Alright, so it seems to work fine. Yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment on what you thought, and on the next video, we're gonna do something really interesting. Take care. Peace.